Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your domain name on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on WordPress.com, I need you to click the Get Started option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. Connecting a domain name to your Wix site is an essential step to make your website accessible through a custom domain, for example, www.andysguides.com. And basically, here's how you can connect your domain to Wix. It's a very easy and a straightforward process, but also the thing is, a domain name that matches your brand name strengthens your brand identity, making it easier for customers to remember and find you online. Now, there are two ways for you to connect your domain to Wix. Number one is once you are inside the Wix website builder editor, you see there's an option that says connect domain here on the interface. All I'm going to do is click this button. Now, you have two options. If you do have a domain that you already own, of course, you have to click on this option, okay? Because upgrading this site will connect you to a custom domain. Click on that, and you will be forwarded to another page wherein you're gonna be seeing this option. So you have to choose the right Wix Studio plan for each client or for you. All right. So the basic is gonna be $12 per month. You have all these perks and benefits for you to choose from. Obviously, what Wix recommend is the plus $32. And if, for example, you've chosen the basic, click on it. All I'm gonna do is choose the billing cycles for your basic plan. It could be 2 years, yearly, monthly, and you can continue to check out. Now, obviously, you have like a PayPal, fill in your invoice details, your credit card, your create payments request, and you can do a lot more. That's one way. The next option is, now the second option is you need to go to your Wix Studio and choose the website that you wanted to connect your domain on Wix. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the My Site one. Click on, you have an option to edit site under select site, or in the three buttons, edit site also is here. Just wait for it to load. Now, once it's loaded, you have an option here that says connect your domain, or simply click on publish. Because when you do, you need to choose a domain before you publish, all right? So earlier, we have chosen the connect domain. It's a different one. But now I need you to click on the publish on the upper right corner, because you can get a free Wix Studio domain, which is we're not going to do right now because we're going to connect your domain name, all right? Connect, you own your customized domain. For example, it's www.andysguides.com, and save and continue. What will happen is you would be forwarded here on a separate dashboard where you have another control where you can connect a domain right here, all right? So basically here, all I'm going to do is enter the web address you want for the site, and I'm switching to one of my website. Now, this is my GoDaddy's website. I'm going to click on my domains, or simply head over to the My Products. Now, essentially, all I'm going to do is I'm going to choose any of the domains that I own and transfer it to Wix, all right? Now, you can type anything here. For example, I'm going to put in andyguide.com. Let's see if you can get that, and try to press enter. Just wait for it to load. And from there, all I'm going to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and connect your domain here on Wix. It's a straightforward process, but again, if you encounter any problems along the way connecting your own domain to Wix website, all I'm going to do is go to the official customer support for Wix. Okay, so these are going to be the channels. They have a callback operating hours for 24/7. And also type in a question here to get an answer. Just wait for it to load. Now, if it doesn't work, just click on the contact us option. You can get 24/7 support or contact an agent. All right, we need to contact an agent because Once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you're having problems connecting your domain to Wix, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any problems along the way. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.